Today, I'm reviewing Visitor Tracking, a website analytics tool currently available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Let's talk key features. Simple breakdown, visitor stream. This is the star feature. You can see visitor location traffic source, Google, Facebook ads, etc. Pages visited session duration, whether they converted perfect for SEO, ads, and funnels. Customer journey tracking. This is powerful. If someone visits today, leaves, then comes back 3 days later and converts, visitor tracking connects all those sessions. You see, original acquisition source, every return visit, final conversion point, no more guessing. Funnel and passive conversion tracking, no A/B testing headaches. You simply track. Pages, funnels, events, and visitor tracking shows how your conversion rate changes over time. It's like lazy A/B testing, and it actually works. Website portfolio dashboard. Manage all your websites in one place. You can track unlimited sites. Spot trends instantly. Great for agencies, freelancers, and niche site builders. Now let's break down AppSumo lifetime deal pricing. Plan 1, $69. Best for solo users. Plan 2, $138. Plan 3, $207. All plans include lifetime access, all future updates, 60-day money-back guarantee. If you want clear visibility into what visitors actually do, and you don't want another confusing analytics dashboard, visitor tracking is 100% worth it, especially on a lifetime deal. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the lifetime deal. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.